Hi guys, today I'm here with a great idea to make a delicious dinner meal in minutes. Really perfect for any age group. So, without wasting much time, let's make this healthy and tasty dinner meal in a pan with some flavorful spices. Let's start off this dinner meal by getting the sauce ready. For that, I've taken a small bowl. Into it, I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then goes in half teaspoon of garam masala, 3/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon of fennel powder. Then goes in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of salt for taste, half tablespoon of soya sauce which is optional, and then mix in by adding around 200 ml of water. Let's keep this aside. Next is to heat up a pan and add in 1.5 tablespoon of veg oil and a cube of butter. Then goes in 1/4 cup of spring onions, 6 to 8 cloves of garlic, into this drop in 1 chopped onions, saute it till the raw smell leaves. The color of onion looks good to me. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of chopped bell peppers and 1/4 cup of grated carrots. Give it a good mix. Cover and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in 1 boiled and chopped potatoes and 1/4 cup of boiled cauliflower. Give it a good mix. Now it's time to pour in our sauce mixture. Combine it well. Into this, I'm going to add in 250 grams of minced and boiled chicken. Drizzle some water. And leave it there to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, drop in 1 cup of grated cheese, and garnish it up with some chopped coriander leaves and spring onions. Cover and leave it to cook for a minute. Our dinner meal is ready. Let's turn off the flame. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious dinner recipe. So, do give it a try and share with me your experience. Same time, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.